Good morning, everybody. So it's very early in the morning. I came to my gynecology because I had an appointment. I need to make the light is off. I need to make normal, like every 2 years, a test. They always do for cancer, and he has to check my breast because I've been having some pain, but I don't feel anything inside. I had some pain like a lot 3 weeks ago, but it's gone. So I really didn't understand what's going on. So you have to check on that. I will see you later, guys.
Baby, you should know this. That I ain't going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
So I am at the gynecology, as I said. Oh, they just took my blood pressure. Now I'm waiting to go for a checkup and to make this cancer test or some, which will be, the results will come after some few days, and if it's anything they will call me, and I hope not. So yeah, I'm here. It's very early. It's almost 8:30 in the morning. Yeah, and I will just wait until they call me. It's this is the room. I love the flowers. They have nice flowers on the table. They're beautiful. Yeah, the light chandelier is very beautiful. Yeah. So I don't know. When I know that I'm going somewhere in the morning, I just get so tired to wake up. But when I'm not going anywhere, I just automatically wake up so early. This is crazy with my body, and I don't like this. I hate it, but what can we do? Can't do nothing about it. Flowers, nice.
nicht, dass wir die Nummer nicht wollen. Da will die immer haben.
Schöner Pumpkin.
Und dann wird zum Autofahren auch noch was gemacht, jetzt habe ich gehört.
Ja, sie hat gesagt, sie wollte das machen für abends, ne? Ja, wenn ich auch.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrible.
So hi everybody, I am back at home. I'm so tired. I could just take a sleep right now, but I need to cook my lunch. It's already like almost 11. Yeah, it's 11:20. And as I told you, I was at a gynecology. I had to get my normal routine. I checked my uterus. As I told you guys, I had an operation for 2 months and everything is perfect, and I had a lot of pain on my breast, and yeah, we gave me a cream. They say everything is okay, it's normal, because yeah, my body, the hormones are just doing their thing. So now I'm home, and I thought before I lay down, because I know when I lay down I will wake up late for lunch, so I decided to cook before we do anything. So I'm making some meatballs in different style. I have to drink something warm because it's been cold outside. So yeah, by the way, outfit of the day, I have this purple bully flower, and let me see if you can see the hole. Oh, it's crazy. So now, yeah, and kind of black pants, but I combine them with some boots, ankle boots today, and because it was cold, I had a jacket and something to cover my neck. Yeah, and this is the makeup of the day. I like my hair this day. I like this hair. So I've been really, I think if it could totally say, girl, excuse me, can I have a rest? But no hurry. I love it, and it's going to be working. So these are the meatballs I'm making. So I made my own mixture of spices. It's so tasty, and I'm going to mix it a little bit of this in my food. That's why I have enough for a week. So I made enough, and yeah, I'm going to mix some of it, which is here. Yeah, and to make the food taste amazing, I'm going to, and it smells so perfect. I wish you could just smell this. Oh my god, it's smelling so good. So this is a mixture of a lot of spices, onion, garlic, and ginger, fresh ginger, carrot, all blended in together, and I put different spices which I don't tell nobody, and they are amazing. And I'm going to add some champignons, and then we'll let it cook a little bit. And then we're going to make our food ready to eat. So I'm adding some creme fraiche. That way we can complete our sauce. So we let it cook a little bit. So I'm going to transfer it to this, oh my god, to the pot. That way it can cook slowly, and then I will cover it. So now I'm going just to cover it and turn the heat down, just low, really low, the lowest, and I will cover. It's looking very good. So until I serve the lunch, we are done.